Okay, great. Nice to meet you. I'll go ahead and get started. I'm just going to go through kind of an overview of how Sage and Tag work together to kind of get you on all fronts and cover you guys. Okay, so an introduction to Tag. So Sage has a very unique business model in that they provide technical support and R&D on the product, and they utilize business partners like Tag to implement and service clients locally. So we're local to Southern California. Our team is fully capable of coming on site and working with you guys. We've been around in the industry as an accounting firm, so our certified consultants are controller level accountants that have worked with Sage on the user end side and then gain the certification to be able to implement, train, and support your team, knowing what it's like to be on the other end. So we work really closely with our companies, learning their team members' names, roles, what their goals are, to make sure that you're successful with Sage's software. And we have a 7-step process that we've developed to be able to successfully dive into what it is that you're looking for. So we kind of talked with Elizabeth a little bit about the payroll capabilities that you wanted, but I'm sure there's quite a bit more that you're looking for. And what we want to kind of dive into is not only the things that you liked about your old software, but things that maybe you didn't have that are maybe wish list items that you're just kind of dreaming of. We want to make those happen for you and make them reality so that you are super successful and can kind of focus on streamlining and doing everything in your company that you can do without the headache of having to deal with all of the technicalities. So we really dive into that prior to implementation, and then we have that hands-on training and really optimize your investment with Sage. So Sage 100 Contractor is just kind of one aspect of the whole Sage umbrella that's offered to you. It's one of the 2 main accounting systems. 100 Contractor was previously known as Master Builder, and 300 CRE is Timberline. There are a bunch of other elements that Sage has kind of adopted to cover you wholly. So mobile field technology integrated with these accounting systems to bring in data from the field and make sure that they also have access to that pertinent job information while they're out on the job site as well. AP automation and document management, so making sure that things are getting approved and moving along. We have solutions for that integrate with the accounting system, and then also reporting and making sure that you have all complete business visibility to all of that data that you're collecting and making sure is up to date. And then of course on the estimating side, Sage has a variety of different products capable of making you successful and profitable in your estimates. So as we kind of just covered, there's quite a bit that's offered. So definitely want to get you thinking about all of the different elements that on your forefront that you'd like to see implemented, maybe things that weren't available. But if there are customer reports that you guys are you need, they're pertinent to your success, let us know what those are. We'll show you what's available in Sage, and we'll also see if that's something that we could just custom create or tweak to make it exactly what you need and what you're looking for. Okay, so just to give you that overview on Sage 100 Contractor, it has payroll integrated with it. It's got the project management also, so your change orders, purchase orders, everything's integrated. So there's no import between modules. Everything's completely connected, and then multi-divisional job costing is available to give you all of that detail on your costs. And then that mobile technology that I mentioned, being able to bridge the gap between the back office and those folks on the job site and in the field. We also have a very hands-on implementation that's available, and we work to make sure that we're within budget and utilizing the resources that you have on your team as well. So if there's more that you guys would prefer to handle, we can kind of take a more advisory role, or we can handle everything for you. So that's available on the migration, the training, and fully just completely making sure you guys are successful with your goals and with your plan to give you complete visibility with this software. So as I mentioned, we work with your team, we work with your CPA, all of your different roles. It's important to us to support you guys with what you're looking to do. Cloud service is available, so this system traditionally sits on your server. Licensing is concurrent, so it's based on the number of people that you want to be in the system at one time. All of the modules are connected, so a license will give you access to any module in the system that you have permissions or security features to be able to access. We also have financing available, so we work with different finance companies to get you approved for a payment plan if that's the route you want to go, but all of that's available to you if you need it. Thank you guys so much.